record and ready to play with this thing. So let's fire this up. So we're going to hit the power button here until we see some life. And now we're going to go for our little quick mode here. So we'll hit the yes button. And the yes is your select button, all that good stuff. And then we are on the GMC Sierra. And then our 2015 through January of 2016. So 15, 16. So that's the correct one. And we're going to, let's do our scan all sensors. Clear the previous data, yes, because I was playing with this. So now we'll go to our front left wheel. And we'll place the scanner here and we'll press the little like Wi-Fi board here. It'll do its little thing here. And it says it's at 43.1 psi. And then it says go to our next wheel, which is the right front. So we'll go over here to the right front. Hit the little scan button. And that one says 43.1. And then we'll go to our right rear. Hit our little scan button. And then we'll go to our final wheel. Now it says our all sensors are triggered. You can check the sensor status. So we hit the yes button, and then we have all our sensors. So we got the left rear is a little bit down by 2.1 psi, and then our little bit different tire temperatures, sensor temperatures, and all the batteries are okay. And then it gives you all the sensor IDs. That's pretty cool. So everything checks out. So let's see what else we can do on this thing. So I'll put you down over here for a minute and see what else we can do. Get down with you. So let's back out of here, and then we can scan single sensors, and then we can go ahead and program sensors if we want, and then relearn procedure, and then sensor information. So let's check that out. Let's see, OE. So we'll check that out. It gives you the type here. It's a Schrader, and all my sensors are at 315 megahertz. The relearn type is OS. OE part numbers, and yada yada yada. So that's cool. Let's see what else we can do on here. Let's try the advanced mode, see what that does. And then we can do our TPMS diagnose, program sensors, position relearn, so that's when you rotate your tires. And then tire type information. So let's check out the information, see what that says. Probably the same stuff. Yep, probably the same stuff. Okay. So we'll get out of that. Let's see what this one is. That's for when you connect to your ODB, so we don't have to worry about that at this time. And then our little toolkit here. This is for testing your key fobs, and then when you hit that, you can smash the button and all that other good stuff. Test your key fob, and then we'll check out the latest test. It's pretty much the same menu as the previous one, the TPMS diagnose, program sensors, position relearn information, blah blah blah. And then we can review data. No data available at this time. And then my device is you can do the updating, the settings, which I did earlier in an earlier video, and then about blah blah blah, tells you all the good stuff. So that's about it for this. So when the time comes, I can now pretty much safely rotate my tires, because I haven't rotated tires in a very long time because I'm too cheap to pay the maintenance guy to reprogram them, because now I can do it myself. So that's about it for this video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.